Yeah, this is our view in front of our bedroom. That is our okay balcony. And this is our room. It's so clean and so beautiful. Oh. And that is me. And this is the CR. Oh my, this is very, very, very native. Aesthetic. Oh, so beautiful here. So, wala namin na prank sa view. Kaya katong niagi na mong hotel. Na-prank me sa view. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. So, i-open na siya.
Ay, okay lang. Magkatabi sila sa isang bed.
Magkatabi silang magkatabi sila. Dili sa isa-isang bed. That is our view for 3 nights and 4 days. Yeah, so wonderful.